My Whirlpool Duet dryer is making a clicking noise when I hit start but not actually starting. All lights and buttons work. What part would have to be replaced?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Do you have a model number so that I can better assist you? It should be located on a sticker just inside the doorway. Also, can you check to see if the timer still counts down after you press the start button? Most of the time when this common issue happens, the dryer won't run but the timer will still count down.
Q9260 PO. I does look like timer is counting down. I've replaced heating element a year ago and I'm very handy.
Okay, perfect. If the timer is counting down, this means that your thermal fuse has likely gone bad and will need to be replaced. If you remove the 3 screws along the bottom of the lower front panel, you can remove the lower front panel by pulling down and forward. Unplug the dryer and look behind the lint filter enclosure to the left. There is a little 1-inch thin flat white plastic device attached to the top of the blower well housing. Now there are actually 2 thin white plastic parts behind the lint filter and the fuse is the one future to the left. Check continuity and make sure it is continuity if you have a multimeter. If it happens to detect open or bad, then replace the fuse. Now if the fuse has continuity, the only other thing that can cause this issue is if the dryer thinks the belt is broken. So when you have the lower front panel off, do make sure the belt isn't laying on the ground broken. There is a switch next to the motor that is activated when the belt is taut. If by chance the belt is attached and the fuse happens to be good, or when you replace it you still have an issue, you'll need to replace the main relay board mounted to the left side wall above the drum because it thinks that either the fuse is bad or the belt is broken. If you have any other questions, please ask me, I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.